releasing the LaFerrari's replacement, which is codenamed the F250, on October 17, 2024. The F250 will replace the 288 GTO, F40, F50, Enzo, and the LaFerrari as the brand's limited edition flagship supercar. The Ferrari F250 will rival the likes of the McLaren W1 and Aston Martin Valhalla, and would likely form the holy trinity of the 2020s. The LaFerrari replacement will not be powered by V12, but it is rumored that it will be powered by a similar powertrain as the Ferrari 499P Racecar with power exceeding 1,200 horsepower. This new hypercar will not only be a powerhouse, but will also be extremely aerodynamic and also generate a lot of downforce as it features a rear wing, and also are intakes and ducts on the bumper and frunk, which will help generate a lot of downforce, and I think it will generate over 1,000 kilograms of downforce. Unlike the W1, the F250 will be powered by a V6 and not a V8, but I wish Ferrari used a more potent V12 hybrid setup, just like the LaFerrari. I can't wait to not only see the F250, but its FXXK and FXXK Evo versions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.